New building legislation in South Africa includes that all homes must be insulated with compliant roof insulation. For this reason, the country is divided into regions. As a result, a specific R value of insulation must be installed depending on the region that you live in. Isotherm is dust-free and allergy-free. Isotherm insulation has a 30-year manufacturer guarantee. Installing Isotherm insulation will give homeowners a lifetime of comfort and energy saving. How insulation works is quite simple. The Isotherm insulation is laid directly on the ceiling. This creates a barrier between the ceiling and the home. As a result, heat flow up and down is reduced by 90%. In summer, the sun's rays heat up the roof space, resulting in a hotter home in summer. Installing 145mm Isotherm will reduce the indoor temperature 4 to 8 degrees, making the home cool and comfortable in summer. On the other hand, in winter, the roof space is cold, and the warm air in the home is lost to the roof space. The home feels like a freezer. As a result, the heating or a fire is activated. Installing the 145mm Isotherm insulation will result in an improved temperature of 4 to 8 degrees. For DIY installers, as well as builders and developers, give us a call. Check out our insulation prices online. Buy direct and save. Give us a call on 021-837-1824. Visit our website on www.roofinsulations.co.za or call 021-837-1824.